Hey everybody, happy Word Ladder Wednesday. Today for our word ladder, you're going to need the word ladder piece of paper inside of your plastic sleeve with whiteboard materials. So go ahead and press pause to get all of that together and then come on back when you're ready. Okay, so word ladders are when you start at the bottom, just like on a ladder, you start at the bottom, and then as you go each step up the ladder, you change one sound in a word. So we're going to write a word together next to number 1, and then we're going to change one sound to go up to the next step. And then we'll change one more sound to go up to the next step. And by the time we're done, we'll have written 6 words that each time you go up the ladder, they only change by one sound. So it's a little tricky to see, I think, in the video because it's a little small. So I'll make sure after I write a word that I show it to you really close and you can copy it, and then we'll go on to the next word. Some words that we write today are going to be CVC words, and other words that we write are going to have digraphs in them. So we can keep on practicing with the digraphs also. Okay? So the first word we're going to write together is the word wish. W, I, sh, wish. I hear sh at the end, which is the SH digraph. Wish. These markers, it can be a little bit tricky to write on the line, so just do your very best forming each of these letters. Okay, now we're going to change one sound, only one sound to go up to the next step in the ladder. And we're actually going to change the beginning sound. We're going to go from W to F. Let's go ahead and write that. And the rest of the word stays the same. I, sh, I, sh. And that makes the word fish. So now we're going to read up our ladder. Wish, fish, and now we'll change one more sound to go to the third step. This time, instead of changing the beginning sound, we're going to change the ending sound. So instead of having sh, we're going to turn to n. So we'll write f, I, n. I, n. Let's tap it out together. I, n makes the word fin. Now before we go on to step 4, let's read the words up our ladder. We have wish, fish, fin, and now we're going to make a new word for step number 4, but instead of changing the beginning or the ending sound, we're going to change the middle vowel sound. We're going to turn I into a. Here we go. N. N. Fun. After you're all done writing, go ahead and read up the ladder with me. If you want to practice reading up the ladder all by yourself, you can pause the video and read the words and then listen to see how I read the words up the ladder. We have wish, fish, fin, fun, and now we're going to change the beginning sound again. Instead of having f at the beginning, we're going to put s at the beginning. S, n. S, n. Sun. Okay, let's go ahead and read up the ladder. Pause it if you want to try all by yourself first. We have wish, fish, fin, fun, sun, and now we need to change one more sound to get to the very top of our ladder. This time, instead of having s at the beginning, we're going to put b at the beginning. B, n. B, n. Bun. Let's go ahead and read up our ladder. Wish, fish, fin, fun, sun, bun. Great job doing a word ladder for Word Ladder Wednesday. If you want to make up your own word ladder, you can go ahead and make sure you start by writing a word on the bottom that has a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. Or you could come up with a word that has a digraph at the beginning or the end. If you come up with your own word ladder, Mrs. James and I would love to see it. So make sure you take a picture and put it in your portfolio on Blooms, and your family can help you with that. Families, if you need any help with the portfolios on Blooms, please let Mrs. James or I know, and we're more than happy to help you. Have fun. Great job on Word Ladder Wednesday. We're so proud of you, and we miss you so, so much. Have a good afternoon.